Whenever we leave the PEC, prior to returning, we want to clean and disinfect our gloves. Since seeing is believing, let's use a visual tool to show our gloves have been properly sanitized. Okay, so we have our gloves on. I also have a black light here. You can see that there's nothing really special about this glove. There's nothing really on it, as there shouldn't be because they're supposed to be sterile. Let's now put a little of this glow lotion on the gloves and completely cover them to simulate gross contamination. After turning on the black light and shining it on my hands with the glow lotion, you can see that my hands really light up. Let's first demonstrate what I've heard to be the traditional way to sanitize our hands after touching non-sterile objects or after leaving the primary engineering control. I'm going to spray my hands with alcohol and simply rub them together. However, by using this method to sanitize our hands, we're more or less spreading whatever is on our hands around and maybe even back onto our fingers. As you can see, that's all that really happened with our glow lotion. Not a very effective approach. Let's try something a little different to see if there's a better way to do this. I'm going to wet a sterile wipe with sterile isopropyl alcohol, then wipe my hands to see if there's a difference. Notice I have the wipe folded in half, as I'll use the other side to wipe my other hand. I'm going to wipe down each finger and move down slightly on the wipe so as not to carry over anything with the wipe and contaminate the next part of my hand. I then wipe the rest of my hand by paying very close attention to the details of my fingers, as these are the most critical part of my hand since that's what we use to pick up everything and manipulate objects with. Let's repeat this again, remembering that there's 2 steps to the process of cleaning and disinfection. First, we must remove any debris on our hands, then we must disinfect the gloves. As you can see, this did a little bit better job. By shining the black light on the gloves this time, you can see that the gloves have virtually no glow lotion remaining. Using this glow lotion is one way to visually show operators the effectiveness of their current technique and figure out the best way for all of your operators to sanitize their hands.